about people. I don't understand them at all because at this point, I'm about to cut all of my hair off.
Oh, me carry them to look a girl like a C-town to go buy stuff. Araya embarrassed me in front of the cashier.
Why? What she said?
Yes, as I say, yo, see look all for water man them nine place dog and all for all the thing the mommy I mentioned are going on the side there, so you see it.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on notification bell right there.
Hey peeps, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. It's a nice Saturday actually. It's like 70 something right now. Should get up to 80. So it's nice and it's not hot. As I'm gonna tell yesterday, they say yo, like that part of Connecticut just like it's nice. It doesn't get hot like New York. And there's always a nice little breeze that's blowing. Which can't
Because we have lots of trees.
yeah, we have lots of trees and babes with their nice
we have
sticks.
coverage. I think the direction of the house, that's the thing. I don't really know which direction is sunny and which is not, but I know that whatever direction our house is in, it's the shaded version.
We live nice sticks, babes. We live in the forest, like
But
it's
people
country.
live in the forest and they still get sun and they could get solar panels, but we
Yeah.
don't even qualify because our house is not facing in the.
Yeah, it's just that we have a lot of trees around, so, like a lot of trees, a lot of shade,
It's because of the direction of where our roof face.
all that too. But yeah, it like I'm not telling like it kind of remind me of some of the time when they're at Jamaica, even though if you sung on it on one tree, you get a refreshing, refreshing breeze. You see me? So like it's nice. It's nice. I know I'm gonna do some work regarding the channel in terms of lost my train of thought.
Or YouTube and or Instagram.
Instagram. Mainly, yeah, let's go. Yeah, so you know we also there on Instagram. Check us out on Instagram as well. I think what's her handle or her name? Yeah, let's still put it somewhere in the video right now. But that's it. What else?
I'm getting my hair.
Oh, let's see what else I get to hear though. Let me show you real quick. Yes, yeah, over there. Nana, I start out the ear. You see me? What you plan to do?
I'm gonna put these in these crochet twists. They're tiny though. I've never had tiny ones like this and they're pretty long.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do half of the hair with it and half like some kind of style.
Yeah, so what are the products that we have over here? And yes,
Oh, we
of
have
course,
the
we're not
same
being
leave-in.
sponsored by these.
The same
Yeah.
leave-in that I use in Araya's here.
Mhm.
Then you know jam, don't at me. And then the Blue Magic hair food, don't at me.
Don't at you?
Yeah, you know, people want to go tell you how to live your life and what to put in your hair, and oh, that's not good for natural hair and blah, keep it to yourself. So,
Wait till let me see you get your Gina curls, eh?
me I tell you,
Mad up, man thing. Hair grow still.
you know what's so interesting? So I'm looking at all these, you know, I'm doing all this Gina curl research, and so I like to read all the comments, the positives and the negatives. And the negative comments are coming from people with locks, pixie cuts, have a wig on,
Some raggedy headed
or
people.
no, not even no, or somebody with 3C, like a lighter texture here. It's almost like the people that are naysayers are people who either don't know the struggle of the 4C girly, or the people who know the struggle and have decided to take different measures to combat it, like cutting their hair off or just totally hiding their hair majority of the year. And I'm like, I don't understand people. I don't understand them at all because personally, I don't care what people want to do with their own hair. And at this point, I'm about to cut all of my hair off. That was actually what the plan was for me. And then I read about the whole Gina curl thing. I said, you know, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that. And I always have the option of cutting it all off because I don't have the time, energy, or patience to spend a whole 24 hours on my hair. Like, there's just too many things that I have to do, and hair care is just not high on the list. It's too much. It's too much to manipulate a 4C hair and keep it healthy.
Yeah. What's the matter?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. That's the expert.
You at work?
Yeah, I don't work.
You at work?
Yes,
Yeah, that's the expert.
Yeah, but when you're at work, it's not just one people there. There's a lot of people at the work. Like when I go to work, it's not just me there. There's a lot of people there. You see me? Come on, we all can work.
You and Mama have different work.
Sometimes, not all the time.
What's the gap?
You see me? Come on, work up your yard, brother. I have to put it to work early, you know. Everybody must work. Work, work. Working is a thing that you what?
I need to do my other work.
What other work?
Oh, I have another what to do too.
What other work is that you're doing?
This is my other.
Now you see if it's on that tree. Cool and nice. Can I remind me of Jamaica? What? You have to bury stuff? Okay. You know we need to get out all the grass from out here though. I tell you, oh me carry them to look a girl like a C-town to go buy stuff. Araya embarrassed me in front of the cashier.
Why? What she said?
Daddy, oh you said we don't have any money. But we have it now. That's a little girl. What are you doing?
How do you get money?
We got money, okay? We got money. Money came in. She was like, Daddy, oh, you said we didn't have any money.
Daddy?
Yes, little girl, what are you doing? Be quiet. Yeah? I'm gonna even start charging people for them, you know.
You want to play outside? Maybe you're tired? Yeah, that's why I'm really
I don't know what Araya said. I don't know what I can't remember what she was talking about this morning. But Araya's like, it blowed my mind.
What? She blowed. What blowed her?
I can't remember what she was talking about, but whatever she said blowed my mind. What blowed your mind again? Tell me, remind me. You were telling me about something this morning, and you were saying that it blowed your mind. But I can't remember what it was. Do you remember?
What did I make? Oh, I remember.
What was it about?
I have two blown my mind.
What? You have two blow your minds? What are they?
That was yesterday.
Okay.
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Okay. Into that?
Hey guys, so today's Sunday and we're going to be shooting an episode of Rum N Reason today, but we're kind of in the process of getting ready right now. Lacey is next to me over there, about to do her face, while I'm actually outside over there. Man, I hate calling it a shed because that's not what it is. It's not a shed, all right? It's a bar.
But the sign that's next to it says man cave.
But I don't want to call it a man cave. But we're going back to the original studio. So I'm actually outside trying to get that sorted out. We're having a little bit issue with some water getting in when it rains. So I'm trying to get over there ready. Looking good.
Did it rain?
No, it didn't rain. But remember I was telling you that it seemed like through the foundation, it seemed like stone or whatever. I don't know.
But what issue with the water getting in? Are you trying to?
Over there, kind of like around the edges of the look of green algae look, right?
Oh.
There's some white watermarks in there, and it kind of smells a little bit. Now, you know when musty? Well, yeah.
Yeah.
So
When there's so much water.
when there's a lot of water, so.
Yeah.
But over there, so open up the window, them. I go spray some of the algae removing thing over there, kind of get rid of the green algae, sweep up the. Kind of clean up the place a little bit, because we haven't used it in maybe over a month or more.
We've been filming in different areas.
Yeah, because we've, you know, the last couple Rum N Reason that we did with we did like 1 or 2 inside, we did 1 outside at the back patio. So I haven't really been over there in the last month or 2. I do have an air purifier over there, but that fills up pretty quickly.
I don't sacrifice the dehumidifier.
Dehumidifier. Maybe I do need a air purifier or something. Do you think?
No, I think you need a stronger dehumidifier. Same thing, the one ever since we got the attic fan, the moisture in our
The one that I have over there is bigger than the one that you have down in the basement.
Are you sure?
I'm 100%.
Maybe it's not as efficient.
Maybe I should put both of them over there.
Maybe.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get that next one because the one those hasn't come on in the longest while.
Because since we got an attic fan and we've balanced out our moisture levels in
Yeah.
the house, I feel like it's been really like we haven't had it working. And it's automatic, so.
If it does the barber, but the beard come in nicely, you know. Like I've been using this in my beard, in the last recent time. Lacey got it for me, and yeah, we're not sponsored by them, but if you want to
I
sponsor,
didn't
we
get
can.
it for you. I got it for me.
Oh, I never me again.
And then I saw some man using it, and I was
Yeah.
like, maybe Babe could use it too. So then you took it over, and I kind of forgot about it.
It done
'Cause
me
I
the
was
next
using it for
one.
my edges.
Yeah, because you know I've been using it to fill out that little beard spot in my beard. So what I do, like at night, I only use it at night. So you know, I wash my bathe, shower, wash my face, wash my beard. I just kind of spray it in, and I'm not gonna lie, it's like I still got some little spots, but it looks better. It looks a lot more full and luscious. My beard.
It does. I don't know.
You see me? But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about Rum N Reason. So yeah, I'm actually outside trying to get over there ready and stuff. So this is gonna do our face and a little quick face. You know.
Is that what it's called?
And I call it quick beat. Yeah, you always use that's some weird terminology whenever you're doing like a quick thing. I don't know. You know, she gonna do that. So this morning wake up, you know, babes, and I was in the bathroom, came in the bathroom, and you know, I put the, you know, I do my thing, wash my face, brush my teeth, and put on my face moisturizer. But unbeknownst to me, I took up my beard softener cream. I think it was my face moisturizer.
Did you rub that
All over my face, but I'm not gonna lie, my face can look nice and smooth and moist at the moment. So maybe that means start use my beard cream on my face. You see me?
No, well, I mean, maybe. You've ever seen people using lotion in their hair? What's good for your skin should be good for your face.
I never put
Good
lotion
for
on
your
my
hair, I mean. So my uncle used to do that. I don't know if he still does that. His hair is nice and soft.
yeah.
So
Oh, where did my comb them?
I put them where they're supposed to go.
Yes, I can never find them. I'm not look for them as what them supposed to do. I look for them as I'm gonna put them. You know, all heap of things I want people, all heap of things I want behind the scenes. I'm gonna try behind the scenes, you see me?
What are you doing? I thought you were doing outside. I don't know what you're brushing up there.
I'm not brush, I comb. Alright, peeps, so just left Mama upstairs, I put on her face. We had to go over the bar, yeah, so the man keep, I don't even know, I got to company for this damn place. I go over the shed. You know, I just call it the shed and done. I'm done with the foolishness. I don't want to go over here so we'll fix up. Boy, over here dark. I'm saying I go for the next one now. But yeah, sure know me I talk about, bro, G. What me tell you say, yo, me never all this place in Jamaica that I'm running on that bar, brother. But anyway, me sure know me I talk about. Yes, as I say, yo, see look whole heap of water man them nine places dog, and the whole heap of algae thing the one I mentioned are growing on the side there, so you see it. Me pick up them tree over there for sort them out and make them look good, but we don't get to it yet. Yeah, same thing with over here so too. Yeah, in the heater here so purify dehumidifier, whatever they used to call it. But yeah, this are the spot, people. You see me? The official studio site for Rum N Reason. You see me? But right now, you want a little work cause from we get the place, I don't really put my touch to it yet still. But yeah, this is space, dog. This is Shreks. You see me? So I'm about to just get us ready up for the shoot and thing. So soon a little bit, peeps.
So Avery is getting her hair washed. We got this little thing here on Amazon, and it's
a lifesaver. So she's nice and happy and comfortable watching her tablet, washing her hair. Did you do the pre-poo today, Mommy? When you put the thing in there, like where you put in Araya hair?
I didn't remember.
Okay.
But your hair is not as nasty as Araya one.
No, her hair's light.
Yeah,
But
her
it's just to moisturize her hair though, because her hair has been dry. It's not for nuttiness, it's for giving her some moisture back into her hair.
You can just say
It helps to detangle first before you wash, but it's also for moisture. So anyways, that's what it's for. It's like a treatment. We use this deep moisture shampoo from Shea Moisture. And honestly, the peach one is good too. That's actually my favorite because I love how it smells. And when she's done with this, we're gonna do the same curly style, right? Oh, this condition, love it. I use this in my hair too, the Manuka honey and Mafura oil. Me love that one, yeah. But that's my favorite deep conditioner from Shea Moisture. I like the one with the, what do you call the oil there again? What smell bad? Castor oil one. The Shea Moisture one doesn't smell bad, but I like that one too. But that deep conditioner make my hair very moisturized. No, nobody not pay me to do it. I just tell you know what I like, because I don't want YouTube to think that people are paying me when I not get paid. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and then she's gonna be done, and we're gonna do the same curly style for her. Do you want me to do it, or you want to do it, Mommy? Because I'm gonna film. Okay, so I'll do it. Mommy will detangle her hair and dry it, and maybe just put like a big twist in there, and I'll do it when I come back. So I'm gonna eat. This is brunch, Sunday brunch. It's pasta. It's spaghetti with curry chicken. I love it. It tastes nice. And Araya is over here. This is, look at the one little time the area right is to look kind of tidy. That's not gonna last because we got children. And Araya is playing her tablet. Don't run out of your time, okay, baby? Okay. Remember, you gotta save your time. Oh no, so then I'm not giving any extra time today. So I'm wobbling myself up to the shed, and this is the scene I'm seeing. Babe's at work. I'm gonna have to cut this clip because it's this music, but yeah. So I'm here in the bar waiting for Babe because we're gonna film another episode of Rum N Reason. So check it out. We will actually put the playlist somewhere here in this video so you'll be able to see what we filmed. We have a pretty interesting episode. I think it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. I didn't tell him what it is yet though, but we're gonna film an episode today. Depending on how long this topic takes, I think I might try to film 2 today because we're trying to make a compilation so we can have them and just be dropping them every week. So that's what we're doing. There's Daddy coming with all the things. I don't really know what he has though. Why does he have all that stuff? Oh, that's liqueur. So yeah, that's liqueur. We're gonna try to add some light in here because it's bar lighting, and I don't like how it looks when we in here. Although it's daytime and it's a lot brighter, it still feels dark. Yeah, we're about to film. I did get ready with me, but not with the clothes, just the makeup. So y'all see what I did. Feeling myself. You're gonna show me what?
How we make hay.
Hay?
Yeah, so Robert, you need to soften it up like this.
Can you what are you doing with that shovel? Put it down so you don't hurt yourself, and it got rust on it. Okay, so how do you make hay?
We give our animals some hay because some of the animals like hay.
What animals?
Cow.
You have cows?
Yeah.
Okay.
And horse.
And horses. Okay.
And the next one, like duckies.
Duckies
And
like hay?
No.
And roosters?
No. Roosters. We don't
Okay.
have roosters. That's another one and another one.
Okay.
And we did this up and then we sometimes we go next door.
Where is next door?
There you are.
Oh, next door is over at the shed?
Yeah.
And you come over there to do what?
Just say hello.
Okay.
And
Oh, so is that how you get the hay? You rake it up out of the grass?
And sometimes we come to next door to give you our food we planted.
Okay.
And next door.
Okay, so what are you going to do about your lemon tree that didn't grow, Araya? Because I know
I'm gonna plant another one.
you're going to plant another one?
Big.
Yeah, those are big leaves.
Ooh.
You could put it on the ground, baby.
Ooh. Then my feet is sore. Pussy.
Okay, well, you have fun. When am I going to do your hair, though?
Why do you want it?
Okay, when I want to. I'm going to go take some of these clothes off because it's a little hot. And then we could get to do your hair, okay?
Yeah. I'm feeding the horses some of
All right. What are you doing? Okay, well, I don't know if Daddy's going to like that, but I'll see you in a little bit. Be careful. What's that? Is this a stone? Okay, as long as you're not digging on nothing important.
Wait, maybe we can dig to a treasure chest. Yeah.
A treasure chest. You think somebody planted a treasure chest in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
it might
All right,
be
be
over
careful,
here.
okay? I'm going to
And
go
it might
take
be
this stuff off.
It might be over here and it's silver.
Maybe.
It's diamonds and money.
Okay.
So we dig it.
All right, baby. I'll soon come back, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna do some paper.
All right. Turn the rake the other way. Yeah, that's how you rake. Okay. So, we just finished filming 2 episodes of Rum N Reason. And I am going to take this clothes off because it's really hot. I'm sweating and nobody else is sweating, so I am going to take this off and come back outside. I think I'm gonna put DJ Kempo on the speakers, the house system speaker, so he could play outside because I love that and I like the vibe today too, so I don't think our neighbors would mind. Not that I don't play it on the speakers anyways, but I like that vibe there.
What are you doing?
I'm just taking a video of how your hair looks before we make it curly.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry.
So, it is, I think it's after midnight now. We got our Rum N Reason filmed. I also did Avery's hair. I didn't vlog it, but I will put some inserts in here to show you how it came out. I did it with the same stuff that I did Araya's hair with. It came out really good. The thing about Avery's hair is that she has a different curl pattern in different areas of her hair. So one part is really tight and curly, the other part is loose, like more looser curls, and some parts are literally just waves. So we'll see how it looks in the morning when she gets up, because I know that wavy part sometimes can become very straight. Sometimes it doesn't even look like it has curls or anything. I was just literally bone straight. So we'll see. I'm just gonna get all of this face off have a shower, go to bed, because we have a bit of a busy day tomorrow with some business we have to take care of, and also we are going to AB school. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So we were productive today. We were productive. And I'm just glad it's the end of the day because my foot is so swollen, man. So swollen. Anyways, see you guys. Good night.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.